What is good, YouTube? So today is time to do a 3 a.m. challenge. Well, not a challenge, but basically this 2:58, bro. I'm ready to do this. So what's this 3 a.m.? I'm not sure which type of prank we should do. Not a prank, but like some, like what type of 3 a.m. challenges? Maybe bro. I'm just like, wow, bro. Like, I don't know. Bro, I just feel like you know how like the Italy, right? You know how people don't believe in it, right? But it's just like I don't know how it comes real though. I'm just scared to do this. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, this 2:59. Oh gosh. Bro, I'm about to literally cry on camera, bro. This is gonna be creepy, bro. Bro, my window, so I might want to get out of this place. Bro, I'm just scared. It's a mess. I don't know what. My dad is sleeping. My brother's asleep. Hopefully my grandma's not asleep. I thought she's not. Hopefully not. So basically, wait, bro. I'm not playing this game, bro. I swear I heard something. Okay, bro, this is already getting creepy. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, I feel like I should go to sleep, you guys. I know y'all can't see. I'm sorry you couldn't see me. It's pretty dark in here. I'm gonna put on my light. Oh gosh. I don't even wanna. It's like my window's right there. That's how scared I am to look at my window. I see a weird man just staring at me. Okay, you guys, I'm wasting up a lot of time. But, like, I'm kind of scared, bro. I'm really about to cry on camera, bro. From this stuff, bro. Hold on, let me cut. So you guys can basically see right now. Bro, no. Okay, what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna sit here, just do nothing. Bro, no way. Is this 3 a.m. right now? I'm kind of really not afraid when I'm not talking about 3 a.m. videos, but really now, I feel hecka scared. Like, on my mama, bro. I feel hecka scared, bro. Like seriously, bro. Well, you guys, I'm sorry for making this video if I was gonna be scared. But you know we're savage. So you know what? We're gonna be doing this video tomorrow because basically we should do it with a guest. So I'm gonna do it with like maybe somebody with me this time, bro. Because this stuff is just absolutely hecka scary. Because like when I don't play games like that, bro. Like especially I just heard that noise. I just lost my mom. God. But anyways, you guys, hope you subscribe. Hit the like button. I know nobody's gonna hit the like button, but hopefully y'all subscribe. The only reason why I think y'all not gonna like the video because I didn't even do nothing much. All I'm doing is just really talking. So I know this is annoying. You don't have to hit the like button, but if you want to, I don't care. So you guys, peace out, bro. This is. If I get quiet, that means I'm kind of hearing noise. But I don't want to. Okay, I already know who you is watching this. So please, subscribe, like I said. I told you in the chat on Roblox, so you should know who you are. Peace out. Basically, that video that I just posted, it wasn't supposed to be posted today. It was supposed to be posted another time. Like a long time ago, maybe like, I'm pretty sure back in 2017. Not a long time ago, or maybe 2018, when it was like in January or something. So you guys, subscribe. You don't have to like, but I'm just gonna say like, and peace out. Hope you're having a great 3 a.m. day. Having a great day, I'm just gonna say, because actually is when it's 12 o'clock, that means the day is like the next freaking day, bro. It's just that the sun came out. Peace out. Hope you liked the video, bro. I'm wasting time, bro. But I'm still uploading the video. Love y'all. Peace out. Wait.